Z. I ordered some plants last week and they finally arrived. They have made it safe and sound and into my care. I just unboxed them now and they couldn't be any more perfect. So I got the Snowberry Begonia. I got the Moonlight Begonia, which is the Botanica Z36, I guess that's how you say it. And then I got the Begonia Julao. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm probably not. But it's so cute. They're all so beautiful and unique, and they are just in perfect condition. I'm so excited to have them in my collection now. And now I get to add some color to my terrarium. So yay, new plants.